Hey friends, it's Sketchy. Let's have some fun drawing Paxton from the Ninja Kidz. He's got this really crazy fun hair on the top, and his eyes look so happy. They're very thin, and those are things that I'll notice when I start to draw him, so it looks more like him. First, let's draw the top of his head, and then down here is his chin. And it's gonna be kind of archy at the top, tapered down a little bit lower, and then he's got this kind of a corner chin. So I'm gonna arch the top a little bit like this. Just have his face come down like this, and then this kind of angles like this, and then he's got this chin right here. It almost kind of comes down and then up and then over. See how it kind of like a little S curve here? S curve down. Oh, he's got this, it kind of comes down and then he's got this cheek that comes out. This means he smiles a lot. So about right here, I'm gonna come out with his cheek and then come down and then S curve his chin. Man, look at that, he's got a handsome face. Well, I'm gonna have fun with this ear right here. As it comes up the jaw and then his hair right here, I am going to have fun ear like that. Look at the hair coming forward here. So about like this, I'll bring the hair forward like that. And then from here, it kind of just starts going up, up. And it goes forward. His hair's really tight, short on this side. So I'm just going to just put some little shapes to indicate a little bit of hair there. But most of that, look at how big and tall his forehead is. I'm gonna give him a little bit of volume here. He's got very light eyebrows. They kind of angle up like this, don't they? He's not an angry guy. In fact, his eyes almost look like this. Yeah, that's kind of fun. So just make it kind of cartoonized. And then he's got a nose that kind of comes down and up right here. Little triangle. And then look at that smile. Wow. Kind of like a Cupid's bow. Lips. Comes up. And drops down. It's got big teeth right here. Let's put those in, and then just add a little shadow here. Now I'm just gonna kind of darken in some of my favorite lines. I'll leave a little bit of a highlight right here. See how I just leave a little bit of a highlight to give his eyes a little bit of wetness. Okay, he's also got a little bit of ear peeking out over there, so let's give him a little bit of an ear right there. I'm gonna darken up his hair just by scribbling this in. Sometimes you can just use the side of your pencil and do it like that. Ears come up and then they curve down, they taper usually, and there's another little shape right here, like this. And then those two meet right here. And I like to shade those in. And then you can see the ear comes down and then it makes a little boink right here. Boink right here. And then it curves up. And then this kind of retreats back into the ear. And all this is very shaded. All right. Now let's darken in some more of these details. I'm not going to put braces on him. Just lightly shade in the upper lip because it is going to cast a shadow. And then I won't draw in or shade in the bottom lip. Otherwise it might make him look like he's got lipstick on. But I'll shade in underneath his teeth where his inside of his mouth is. Another thing you can do is kind of shade in his teeth on the corners to make it look like there's volume in those teeth. Now I'm going to erase this random line here. And there we go. Boink, 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 boink. Thanks for watching. Stay sketchy.